Welcome to SAP Retail Essentials. In today's fast-paced digital world, retail businesses are constantly challenged to adapt quickly and stay ahead of innovation cycles that are accelerating every day. As the lines between industries blur, traditional retailers are expanding into entirely new sectors. They're not only selling products, they're offering financial services like banking and insurance, manufacturing private label goods, and even monetizing assets like parking spaces and fuel stations. They're evolving into comprehensive service providers, delivering personalized consumer health and lifestyle information. However, these exciting opportunities often collide with the limitations of legacy enterprise resource planning systems, leaving retailers in need of a new kind of flexibility and agility in their core systems. This is precisely where SAP Retail steps into the spotlight. SAP addresses these modern retail challenges head on with SAP S/4HANA, its innovative new generation ERP suite. Designed specifically to leverage the incredible speed and performance of in-memory computing, SAP S/4HANA offers retailers the agility and flexibility they need to thrive in today's interconnected marketplace. SAP S/4HANA's revolutionary design follows the industry to the core principle. What does this mean for retailers? It means a unified, versatile platform where previously incompatible industry solutions can now run seamlessly together. Imagine a world where fashion retailers could smoothly integrate operations with adjacent sectors like oil and gas businesses, or manage convenience stores at fuel stations within the same powerful system. This integrated approach enables companies to develop robust, future-proof strategies and adapt quickly to emerging market opportunities. In the era of digital transformation, data has become the lifeblood of retail success. Retailers today require deep, real-time insights to truly understand their customers and optimize their operations. SAP S/4HANA rises to this challenge, delivering instant connectivity and live analytics across your entire business. Gone are the days of waiting overnight for batch processing. SAP S/4HANA's advanced in-memory computing provides lightning-fast performance, enabling retailers to run real-time simulations and use embedded data science to precisely control and optimize core business processes. By combining transactional capabilities with powerful analytics on a single platform, SAP S/4HANA eliminates the traditional divide between operational and analytical systems. This empowers businesses to make informed decisions in the moment, transforming immediate insights into immediate actions. Whether it's rapidly adjusting inventory to meet real-time demand or dynamically managing pricing and promotions, SAP S/4HANA equips retailers to react swiftly and decisively. Another key benefit is SAP S/4HANA's unique ability to break down information silos and unify fragmented business sources. Core components such as finance, inventory management, and product valuation are harmonized into a common financial journal. This integration provides both finance and supply chain teams with unprecedented real-time visibility. Finance professionals can now monitor profitability instantly, while inventory managers gain immediate insights into stock levels and valuations, enhancing overall business efficiency. Beyond SAP S/4HANA, SAP also offers an unmatched breadth and depth of retail-specific solutions, creating a comprehensive and powerful ecosystem. The world's leading retailers, from grocery chains to luxury fashion brands, choose SAP to run their mission-critical operations, demonstrating the reliability, scalability, and innovation SAP brings to the retail sector. So, what's in it for you as you explore SAP Retail Essentials? The benefits are numerous. By gaining proficiency in SAP Retail, you'll be entering a niche field where expert talent is highly sought after and qualified professionals are rare. Skilled SAP Retail professionals command excellent career opportunities and impressive salary prospects, often averaging above six figures annually. By choosing to learn SAP Retail, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of a vibrant, future ready career path. I'm excited to guide you on this journey and hope you thoroughly enjoy unlocking the immense potential of SAP Retail. Welcome aboard, and let's begin transforming the future of retail together.